In this video, you'll learn how to create custom ringtones and notification sounds on your Pixel 6a. By following these steps, you will be able to personalize your device with unique audio files for calls and notifications. Start by selecting or downloading the audio file you wish to use as a ringtone or notification sound. Ensure the file format is compatible, such as MP3 or WAV. If necessary, use audio editing apps to trim the audio, keeping it short and clear. After editing, save the file in your device storage for easy access. Organizing the file in a specific folder will simplify the setup process. Next, open the Files app on your Pixel 6a to locate the audio file. Browse through your storage until you find the desired file. Once located, you will need to move or copy it into the appropriate folder. This folder can either be labeled ringtones or notifications. Placing the file in these specific folders ensures that it becomes visible in the sound settings. It is important to give the file a clear name for easy identification later. After moving the file, double-check its location to confirm it is correctly placed. Once the file is in the correct folder, navigate to the Settings app on your Pixel 6a. In the Settings menu, tap on Sound and Vibration. From this section, you will see options for phone ringtone or default notification sound, depending on what you want to customize. Select the appropriate option based on your needs. After tapping on it, a list of available sounds will appear, including your custom audio file. Find your custom audio file in the list of sounds and tap on it to set it as your ringtone or notification tone. After selecting it, you may want to test the sound to ensure it plays correctly. This confirmation step is essential to verify that the audio is functioning as intended. If you wish to change the sound later, you can repeat this process at any time. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.